Because you just a baby. Stop.
Damn, what was that? Was that your knees? Good lord.
It was like my ankle or something.
Damn.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a very exciting install for you guys today. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So today I'm going to be installing these ZL1 add-ons Deluxe rock guards. Now if y'all seen the last video, I told y'all these are not just any old rock guards. These joints right here are Deluxe rock guards. Okay, so we actually decided to go ahead and get the ones for the front and the rear. You could do either or. You could just get the front, or you could just get the rear if you want, but today I'm going to be doing the install on the front and the rear of the car. You can purchase these online at AmericanAuthority.com and make sure you use that discount code SheFast, all one word, no spaces, for 5% off. So again, if you watched our last video, you know that we are now sponsored by American Authority, and it's a couple of things that actually left out. Like, I was so excited to let y'all know about the sponsorship that I forgot to tell y'all some of the additional details. One of the details that I left out is that you can actually split your payment up on the website. So if you see something you like and you be like, oh, you know, I don't know, that's the rent check, I don't know if I'm trying to spend that money right now, you can split that joint up into payments, you know what I'm saying, so that the whole thing isn't coming out at once. So that's definitely a bonus. And the prices you see on the site include shipping, so you don't have to worry about how much is shipping, that extra X amount of dollars for shipping. No, shipping is already included in the price for you, so you don't even have to do the math. And then there's an added bonus, y'all. They also have a rewards program. With the rewards program, the more miles that you earn, the more money off you get on your future purchases. So it's like a win-win situation. American Authority does not sell or share your information, so make sure y'all create an account. When you make your purchase, make sure you use that discount code SheFast. Somebody already bought something and used our discount code after the last video. Like, we ain't even done an install video yet, and we already had somebody use our code. So shout out to you. Make sure y'all use that code SheFast, get that 5% off, create your account, earn up your miles so that you can save more money in the future. All right, so when you open up the box, you're gonna have the product comes in this little plastic baggie. So this one right here is the longer one. This one goes on the front. It comes with the piece, the rock guard. You can see the texture on there too, like it's crazy. Deluxe, you know what I'm saying? So this is the rock guard. It also has 3M tape. The front rock guards also come with these little clips, which I will show you when we're doing the install what the purpose of these clips is. And then the rear rock guard is a little bit shorter. Only 2 holes and 2 pieces of 3M tape. So let's go ahead and get these babies on. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off at the front here because I hear that the front is more difficult to do than the back. I heard that from Ali because, like I told y'all, he already did the other side. So before I start, I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm gonna be using to install this on the front. All right. So I have a bottle of alcohol. This is just to spray this part so I can wipe it off. I have this, which is called a trim removal tool. I'm going to be using this to pop the push pins out. I also have the Deluxe rock guard. I got my instructions here, which came in the bag with the product. And it also comes with these clips. You can use these clips. I guess it makes it easier, because the push pins on the front wheel will give you some trouble when you go to put them back in. All right, so notice that I have the front wheel turned all the way to the left so that I can have easy access to this portion of the wheel well. And I'm going to start by removing the 4 push pins using this here trim removal tool. 4. So on the push pin, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's like a little lip here. It's a little lip. So instead of going underneath the entire thing, if you go just underneath this lip, then it will pull it out like that, and then it just pulls right out. All right, so step 2, we're going to clean this portion of the wheel well with alcohol or any other non-silicone cleaner. This is just plain old alcohol. Just spray this here, and I'm gonna use my towel to wipe it. All right. So according to the instructions, you're only going to be reusing 2 of the push pins, and that's because you're going to be using these clips to secure the rock guard. However, if you feel like fighting with the car, you can reuse all 4 push pins in place of the clips. So that's up to you. But if you follow the instructions, you will only be reusing 2 push pins and the clips. So once you have removed the push pins, you're going to go ahead and position the rock guard and install the lowest push pin. Put the lowest push pin back in, which will be down here. So what I'm also going to do, you guys, just to make it easier for us to add, this is how it's going on. As you can see, this is how the holes line up. I'm going to go ahead and start peeling this 3M tape because otherwise, if you go ahead and secure it on there, you're going to have a hard time trying to get the 3M tape off. So I'm going to go ahead and just start it. I'm just going to peel that much back so that I can, you know, still have access to it. So I'm going to take a push pin. I'm going to, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and put one of these push pins into the very top hole. So now at this point, the only thing left to do is to either reinstall these last 2 push pins, or as the instructions say, you can use these clips. All right, there's one. I noticed that it's easier, like I said before, if you take the inside piece out. So I'm gonna stick this in here like that, and I'm gonna stick this in here to secure it like that. And now, as you can see, it's on there. It ain't going nowhere, and it's got that 3M tape. So boom, 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 pow. Cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the back. All right, y'all, so we're doing the same thing on the back. Remember, those clips only go on the front. There are no clips for the back. You will just simply reuse the 2 push pins, and I'm going to remove this push pin here and this push pin here, right underneath the side marker. Don't worry about this one up here. Don't worry about this one over here. We just got these 2 right here. And this one. And I'm going to clean the inside, just like before. So I'm going to spray it with some alcohol. Wipe it off. Alright. So when I line up this rock guard, y'all see we got the 3M tape on the back. So when I line it up, it's going to go here and here. Remember, this has 2 pieces of 3M tape. So I'm going to go ahead and start to peel back both pieces just a little bit. Alright, now I'm ready to go ahead and reinstall the push pin. Go ahead and stick it in here. It makes it easier to install. So I'm just going to push that push pin in, and I'm going to push it in here. And now grab the other piece to the push pin and just secure it. Like so. Now I'll go ahead and remove that lower sticky tape. And I got my second push pin here. Go ahead and install that one. And secure it. And then I got this 3M tape at the top. Peel that off. And it literally is going to fit snug right underneath this push pin. Like, it's a perfect fit. There we go. Alright, and that's it, you guys. So it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Alright, you guys. So that's it for today's super install. It really is just a matter of removing some push pins, putting the product on, and reassembling the push pins. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Mash that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. So y'all stay tuned. We have some additional products coming to go along with these rock guards. Thank you once again for all your support. We greatly appreciate it, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we have a... No. What you looking at? Hey, they all over here. All over my face, wondering what I'm doing. So today I'm going to be installing these ZL1 add-ons. Whoops. They come in little baggies. Oh Lord. All right, so I am going to go ahead. I also got some water because it's hot and I ain't trying to die. I'm going to start with the bottom one. I'm going to go ahead and stick it. Put one of these clips.